Hey guys, this is High582, and today I'm going to be showing you my 5th tutorial part in how to make a Nazi zombie map. So, today I'm going to be showing you two things: how to add perk machines and how to add blockers. Blockers are basically a door, but you can add any object you want. You could add an automobile or a couch to block where you're going, and you can just make it any cost you want through I think it's 500 to 2000. So without further ado, we're just gonna go up and open up Radiant. Hasn't been loading very fast lately, so actually that loaded pretty fast. Okay, so once you're in Radiant, you're gonna open up your map, and once you're in here, you might see that this is a little different. I just added this room, and you guys haven't seen it yet, but all I did was just add this one room right here. I didn't really texture it that nicely. I just textured the inside, but I just wanted more room to work with. So once you build your other room, because you're gonna have to add blockers for the doorway, but once you have your other room, I think we're gonna do perks first. So you're gonna right click in the 2D view and go over here to MISC, then go on prefab. Okay, you're gonna scroll down so you see zombie mode. Click on that, and right here are all the perks, the 4 perks. So that's sleight of hand, that's speed caller right there, same thing. Quick arrive, juggernaut, and this is double type root beer. So right now we're probably just gonna add sleight of hand. So you can add anything you want, but I'm just gonna add that. Okay, so once you have it in your map, you're gonna want to scale it down to where you want it. So I'm gonna get it on a smaller grid here. It's pretty good. So once you have it how you like it, you're just gonna move it anywhere you want. I'm probably just gonna put it in this corner over here and kind of move it around like that. It looks really cool. And it almost hits the ceiling. I'm gonna raise the ceiling a little bit, guys, so that it doesn't hit. I think that'll work. Yeah. Okay, that's good. So once you have that perk in, or you can add however many perks you want, it's always on. If you don't have a power box, it's always going to be on. So yeah. So that was simple, guys. It's just like adding the mystery box and, you know, where is it? Yeah, your gun, whatever gun you had from the last tutorial. Actually, guys, I'm gonna hit this up a little bit more. Sorry about that. Alright, so blockers, they're easy. They just have a lot of KVPs. That's key pair values. So actually, I'm just gonna lower this floor a little bit. I don't know why it's so high. There. Okay. Okay, that means we have to do this one too. Jeez. Alright. So blockers, I'm not gonna stall anymore, guys. You want to actually move your path nodes over so that whatever you put in there can fit. Like that. So it looks about like that, because you don't know how big your object's going to be. So right now I'm just going to right click in the 2D view to pick my object, and you're going to want to go over here to model, and I'm just going to find one real quick, guys, so bear with me 1 second. Actually, it's not in there. 1 sec. It's in raw and then X model. Sorry, guys. I was just in the prefabs a couple of seconds ago. I'm just gonna look for something that's all smaller so that we don't have a big space. Here, I'm just gonna search something. I think I know what it's called. So I'm just gonna use a couch for this tutorial. Static Berlin couch, I think it is. Couch. Yeah, here it is. So we found something, we found a couch. check that out. That's a sexy couch. So we're just gonna rotate it over here. If I can do it, I'm just gonna change the grid. Rotate it. Alright, that's actually, I'm gonna put it on 2 so I can move it more. There we go. That's nice and square. So I'm just gonna put it right there and then make it on the floor. So after you've done that, you're gonna want to right click on it, or no, select it like this, and then you're gonna right click on the 3D view and go over here to script and model. So script model. That gives you the ability to add KVPs to it. So once you've gotten that all settled, you're gonna right click on the, or sorry guys, it may be a little hard to click on it once you made it a script model. You're gonna press N to open up the entity window, and you can put anything you want in here. So for this couch and for this tutorial, we're gonna be adding blocker. So just type in everything I do right here, guys. So script link 2, and then for that we're gonna do 1. I'll tell you all these in a minute, guys. Once I'm finished, I'm typing them all in. You can pause the video afterwards to to copy them all down. Spawn flags 1. Target name, and then you can name this anything you want depending on your object. I'm just gonna name it couch. Couch, if I can spell it right. Then these are the script, the FX. So I'm gonna type in script fire FX, and this is poltergeist. That must be some FX. Then after that, you're gonna type in FX ID, and that was gonna be large ceiling underscore dusk. Alright, and the last one is going to be script noteworthy, and the value is going to be jiggle, and that makes it jiggle before you open it. Okay, so once we have all of that, guys, we're going to go, you can pause the video if you want right here, but I'm just going to go through them. I already told you what that one is, but that's actually this is supposed to be dust, sorry guys. Large ceiling dust. That's what it. The ceiling looks all corroded, and it comes down like that, and dust. Poltergeist. I'm not sure what that is. Target name couch is what the name of your object is. You don't have to name it the same name, but you can name it anything you want, like couch 1 or anything, whatever your object is. Spawn flags is 1. They can go through it. Script link 2 is what I'm about to show you guys right here. So you're gonna right click in the 2D view and come over here to script struct, and you're gonna raise this up to pretty high. I mean, you could raise it to the left if you want, or the right, but I'm just gonna do it up here or right there, and you're gonna click N to open the entity window, and then you're gonna click script link name. And then down here you're going to click 1, and basically what that does is draws a red line from the couch to the script struct, and that basically tells it that it's going to be added, and that's where this is going to go once you open the door. So hey guys, I just noticed something real quick, so let me just draw this down. I don't like that shine around there. Okay, so once you have all that open, you're basically done for that, and next thing you're going to want to do is draw a brush in front of the whole couch or whatever you have, and you're just going to place it pretty close to it so that the player can buy it. So right click and in the 2D view and click trigger use, so that will make this a trigger for you to buy. So once you have that selected, you're just going to click in, and in here you're going to click target name or target couch. Target, whoops guys, sorry. Or whatever you named it, to couch. And that draws this line into the couch. So when you buy the trigger, it will open that. And then after that, you're going to type in script noteworthy zombie debris. I think that's right, guys. Here, 1 second. Yeah, it's not. So it's actually target name zombie debris, and go ahead and delete that one. So after that, you're going to type in zombie cost, and this is where you guys can be creative as you want. You can type in any cost you want. I'm just, since this is probably going to be the first door or blocker, you're going to want to do like 1,000 because they don't have that much when they start. Okay, so that's basically all you have to do right there. You have a successfully working blocker, and that will wrap up this tutorial, guys. All I'm going to do now is compile the map, and then I'll show you what it's like. So go ahead and save it, exit out, and you're going to go over here to your map name, make sure everything's checked, and here too, and come over here to compile level. I may not pause the video, I may just talk a little bit, but I think my 6 tutorial, that's gonna be on here. Let me check real quick. That's gonna be on how to add advanced doors, and basically the blocker is underneath the doors because it's a little bit harder to add doors because it all depends on zones and stuff, so it's just kind of hard to get into. So I'm basically adding things that are more hard after every part comes up. So that's basically what's going to be in the next one. That will probably take about a good 6 minutes of video, but I'm not very sure. I thought this video was going to be shorter. I'm not sure. So actually, guys, I am going to pause the video and I'm going to get back to you guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I just compiled the map. So what we're going to do now is compile the patch. Make sure this is checked, build fast files, and that it's on your map. Just uncheck this, and you're going to compile this level. This takes no time at all, see, it's already done. So you're going to go over to mod builder, choose your mod, check these two, make sure it's all checked, click build mod, and this doesn't take long either. Alright, so after that, I'm going to go ahead and run the game. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, guys, but because Camtasia does not, in fact, actually capture my gameplay, so I'm going to pause it here, and I'm going to go back to Fraps, and I'm going to record from there. So see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm back, and we're at war, and I'm just going to show you the outcome of the blockers and the perks. So I'm just going to go ahead and start my map, typing in dev map, not Z, zombie, and then you're going to type in your map name. So once that's loaded up, we're all good. You shouldn't get an error.
Division.
And guys, that sound that just popped up in the beginning, I don't know if you heard it or not, but that's the power. That's because we added that perk. And one more thing, I think you can jump over this with just like doing that, because yeah, you can, because you might want to make the doorway smaller if you don't wanna like have to, you know, buy it, but you can jump over it. one thing you might want to advise is adding a clip texture, and that makes it so that you can't jump over. But just make the doorway smaller. Make sure that this thing is big enough so that you can't get through when you buy it. But I'll just show you real quick. It goes away like that. Probably should have showed you on the other side, but the reason why the zombies are just standing there and like doing that is because there's no path nodes in here connecting them. So I'm just gonna show you what the perk looks like real quick. Right there, you buy it. Shoots a lot faster. You get a little icon in this corner, and yep, that's it, guys. So in the next tutorial, I will be seeing you guys, and I'm going to show you how to add advanced doors. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a nice day.